Do you know that you can get all these quality skincare products from China? Like all these gummies, face cream, body cream, like everything, guys. Like literally everything. You can get them from China and you get them for cheap, guys. And they are not fake. They are not fake. So always keep in mind that China produces one of the best products in the world. Like in fact, China produces like more than 50% of what we use in the entire world. So if you don't know it, you see this iPhone that we use are also produced in China. So everything are literally produced in China. So are skincare products too. So you can get quality skincare from China, guys, and they will work perfectly fine. So when you think about China, just think about it as a whole country that produce a lot. And one thing is that why China products are cheap is because they have cheap labor. Like their economy are very good and there are over 1 billion people in the country. So a lot of people want to work. So that is why they have cheap labor. Like that is why United States do fight them, guys. So I don't want to go into all that, guys. So what I'm telling you is that you can get quality skincare products from China, and I'm going to be showing you today like different stores that sells quality products from China, guys. So work with me and let me show you how it works. So guys, this is our Pinduoduo account now. So let's just go to the search bar now and let's search for skincare product. So here, as you can see, skincare products. Sorry, skincare products. So guys, these are products, guys. You can see there are a lot of products here, guys. So you can just click on any one right here. So let's just check out this skin oil here. So let me just identify it. So let's check out this one. You can see this one is a complete set. So let's check it out. So now let's click on it. So as you can see here, the name of this brand is still loading. Let's wait. So now let's see it, guys. So as you can see, this is the name of the brand. The name of the brand is Lialan. So Lialan, guys. So one thing is that you see China have a lot of brand. So that is one thing about them. They have a lot of different brand, guys. So you can get all these brand and then just try it out, guys. So as you can see here, this person has 87 reviews. This product has 87 reviews, and like I can see here, this person is commenting from Jamaica, guys. So now let's check out the views, guys. So as you can see, like they are not pictures reviews here, but you can see, you can get like the glimpse of what I'm saying, guys. And if you check out the video, so as you can see, this is the video of how the person is applying.
36岁之后真的对大牌洁面缺位了，没想到这年来的跟我国大几般般的高端洁面这么像，每次用的时候我都在感叹是怎么能做到。
So that's just how it works, guys. So and one thing is that this product, like this store is very good. So this store has like 4.5 rating, guys, out of 5. So as you can see here, so now let's just click on it, guys. Let's click on the store to check more products. So what do you see here? You can see different type of product, but one thing is that they are all in same niche. So they sells like all this serum and everything. So as you can see, this vitamin C face serum and a lot more, guys. So you can buy products from this type of store, guys. You can buy like facial, anything like skincare products, guys. You can see turmeric oil. So you can get it from this type of store, because one thing is that they'll sell like everything in one niche and they are good. So what you just need to do is you need to just go on like Google to search for, like, if you know your skin tone or everything, like if you have a dry skin, you know what you use and everything, you can understand, just look for the product that will fit your skin here and then buy. So it's that easy, guys. Just look for what will fit you and then buy. So that's one thing, guys. So I also want to like show you another store, guys. So there is one store I do buy for. So that store is very popular in China, guys. So let me just click here. Let's search here like this. So let's just go down. If I can see it, is this is right here, guys. So you see this Sadua, guys. This Sadua, or I don't even know how to pronounce this correctly. So you see this brand, it is very popular. And Baokwa or something like that, it's called Baokwa. I can't really like pronounce it well. So you see those two products, guys, they make the best products, guys. So as you can also see here, this is also a 4.7 rating store, guys. So that's just it. All these things are not rocket science. So they are not rocket science, guys. So now let's check on the comments, guys. So you can see here there's no so much of comments here. So that's one thing about skincare. So skincare, like they don't really have that much comments compared to like the rest. So as you can see here, collagen also, like collagen is very very popular, guys. And this is what I'm saying, guys. You can see Boa Aqua or something. So this product too is very very effective, guys. Very very effective. So one thing you should know is that usually all these products, they are also used by their locals. So it's not that they will be selling fake products to you. They are selling quality products. It's just that China produce everything for less, because you understand, they make all these things like they have a lot of land. So all these things, like, they are natural resources that they use to make it. It's not that they import a lot of something to their country, then use them. Just like the United States now. United States, you import a lot of things to make a product. So that is why the products are very expensive, and other European countries. But China, they have all these things, like all these like raw materials and everything. So they just use it to produce. That's just it. The remaining thing is just production. And they have people that are ready to work, because they are very, like, they have a large population in their country, guys. So that's just how it's all, you can see. And all these things are very cheap. You see 16 yuan, and the 16 yuan, the currency is around like 217 to 218. So just do the calculation yourself, and then you'll see, guys. So as you can see, this one has a lot of comments, 1003 plus. So these are picture reviews, guys. So as you can see here, so let's click on this. You can see this product has 57 picture reviews. So let me just click on it. So as you can see here, 57, guys. So it has 57 product reviews. So, and this thing is made with rice. So as you can see here, let me click on it again. So as you can see, rice raw pump, cleanser plus toner plus lotion, serum, face cream, and everything. So that's just how it works, guys. So as you can see, so you can get all these products and then use. But before you get them, know your skin color. And when you know your skin color, guys, so this product has like description and everything. So this is where you will find your description. So I'm using Pinduoduo, not 1688, guys. So you can also check them on 1688, but I'm just using Pinduoduo for this example. So if you click on it, guys, so you will see a lot of things about this product. So you can just screenshot now. Let me just screenshot and then read the description, guys. So if you read the description, then you will see what the product is about. Like, they will tell you that, oh, it's for maybe like dark skin people, it's for something like that. You understand? So you will see everything there. So then you will know what will fit you exactly on what to buy, guys. So that's just how all these things work. So it's not rocket science. So I'm trying to, like, what's it called, translate for you guys, so that you will know what this thing says. So let's click on translate now. So as you can see here, here's a function: hydrating, whitening, brightening skin tone, oil control, soothing skin, deep cleansing. So if you don't want to whiten your skin, then you won't use it. You can see it is whitening and brightening skin tone. So if you don't want to use it, then you will use it, guys. Like, if you don't want what's it called, whitening, then don't use this product. Check more of that, like check more on that store. Then you will see the one that will fit your skin. That, like, you will see the one that will fit your skin. So that's just how it works. So you can see there are a lot of products here. You can see, so just like do more research and see. You can see face cream. This is a face cream right here, guys. I said face cream, face sheets, sorry. So you can see these are face sheets. You can see pink lips. So all these skincare are very effective, guys. Don't think that they are fake or anything. They are very effective. So in fact, I'm using my body cream that I'm using now is from China. You see this Vaseline product. Let me just search for it. So Vaseline. Wait, I'm coming. So Vaseline lotion. So let me see. No, this is not it. So it is something like this, but I'm looking for the exact one. I'm looking for the exact one that I'm using. I also bought that from China, but I think it's from 1688 or something like this. But it is not this exactly. Let me just look for, like, let me search for it. I don't think I can see it again, because like if I go to my, what's it called, if I go to my the product I've bought, I don't think I can see it again, because I've bought a lot of product after that. You know, I do procurement, so, and all. I can you see these products. This is like the body cream I'm using, guys. So this is the body cream I'm using, but it's not exactly like this. You can see this one even look fake. So you can just differentiate all these things, guys. You can see this store don't have review, so you can see this store don't have reviews. You can even see the way I even see it, I said it looked fake, so you can't buy from this type of store, guys, even though that they have like, you can see the product like this store don't even list something that is much, so you shouldn't buy from this type of store, guys, because the store don't have any review. So there's no any review here, and as you can see from the picture, it even look fake. So let me show you the picture of what I am using. Like, let me show you the picture so you can see. So guys, this is my own, guys. You can see how it look like. Then you can see like how this one look like, guys. So if you can just look at it, you can see like the one here look like fake, but my own look original, guys. So that's just how it works. So even from your looking, you will know that this one is fake or this one is not fake, but probably because of my years of experience, so I know how it look like and all. But one thing is that this one don't have like reviews, like what's it called, the store don't have reviews, so you shouldn't buy from store like this, guys. So that's just how it works. All these things are not rocket science, guys. You can also try it, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below, guys. So thank you for watching and see you next time.